Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Kraken app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Kraken app and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see a bunch of different cryptos that you can deposit in your account. So you just have to select the crypto that you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin. So after tapping on Bitcoin, you are going to see its chart as well as its current price. Now in the bottom you are going to see this buy button. So if you click on buy, you will be shown the payment methods. So you will have to tap on pay with option, and after that you just have to select the payment method that you want to use in order to make deposits. So you can choose the Apple Pay, or you can even choose the bank account of yours and credit or debit card. So after selecting any of the options, you will have to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct, you just have to swipe in order to confirm your order. This way you will be able to easily deposit your money in your Kraken app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.